What's up, everyone? Thank you for tuning in to the channel. We're gonna get into this MBX Moving Parts 2000 Nissan Xterra. There it is. Let's check it out. Got a few of these moving parts vehicles. I thought they were pretty cool. Matchbox was doing it. They're not that expensive. There you go. The back door opens. Alright. Let's see if we can get it open again. But there you go. It's in a baby blue color. I like that. The wheels are alright. It's not the greatest vehicle, to be honest, but picked it up because it's something different that I wouldn't mind having in the collection. This one's pretty cool. Let's open up that back door real quick. There it is. It's a little bit open. You can go a little bit higher, but it just falls down. Either way, pretty cool. You got the logo right there in the bottom. You got the Nissan, and that's pretty much it. On the top, you got that the railings, so you can put your luggage on top, maybe a bike. This is more for like hiking and all that, you know, outdoor stuff. So pretty cool. Thank you for tuning in, for watching the video. Leave a like, a comment, subscribe if you haven't for more videos, so you can be get notifications for new videos. And we're gonna see you in the next one. Peace.